What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This is where I cover everything crypto related on this channel. The hottest, the newest potential altcoins, meme coins, you name it. We're going to be checking it out on this channel, guys, because if it has a chance to get that ROI, some nice gains, why not cover it, right? It doesn't matter if it's a meme coin. We saw what happened with Pepe recently and a bunch of other meme coins recently. So hey, this is what this space is about, having fun, potentially making some money in the process as well. This video we're gonna be checking out gains for a living. I have the chart pulled up. Always remember, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research before you invest in any project in the crypto space, because it is very risky and very volatile. We covered games for a living before on the channel, and as you guys could see, I think from when we covered it, it's up, you know, around 130% from around this range, and it's sitting at just a little bit around 1.3 cents. Okay, so $1,300 gets you 100k games for a living. And if this goes to $1 in the future, because the total supply is 10 billion tokens, right? This is pretty much like, you know, Gala but on steroids, right? So if this goes to a $10 billion market cap in the future, in the bull run, you could potentially get turn $1,300 into 100k, and that is not too shabby at all. Let's take a look at the website, guys. Welcome to Games for a Living, brought to you by the gaming industry leaders, guys. Samsung Galaxy Store. The pre-sale already sold out. Trip Hawkins, the co-founder and CSO. We went through the history of the project, and we saw that Trip Hawkins has so much connections. This is super legit, guys. This is so slept on a project. Only a few YouTubers are talking about it. But as far as, like, if you're into Gamefi and you know that Gamefi is going to be the bridge that breaks the barrier between DeFi and, you know, regular people getting into crypto, games will be the way to do it. And Games for a Living could be that potential project, just like Gala, Sand, Mana, you know, Decentraland. This is one of those projects. Games for a Living is one of those projects that could do the same. And, you know, I wouldn't put it past it. I'm betting on Trip Hawkins, guys. I'm betting on Trip Hawkins. Introducing our first two games: Elemental Raiders, a fast-paced strategy card battler, and Diamond Dreams, a match-free clicker with fresh twist. And you could go to the different website for the two games right here. So they already have their games that launch, right? This is Elemental Raiders, and they have Diamond Dreams. Okay, we'll take a look at a teaser video real quick. Let me make sure my audio's on point. 1 second, guys. You know, I'm doing this on the fly here, so I'm just making sure my audio is good. Diamond Dream, such a nice teaser video. Let's take a look at Elemental Raiders as well. Let me go over to YouTube real quick so I could get the full video.
Dare to laugh in the face of your enemies. Believe in truth, honor, and justice. Transcend the limits of mortality. Fight the mythical creatures of Atlantis. Lead an army of mercenaries. Become one with the sword and prepare to achieve mastery of all martial arts. Why live in the shadows forever?
guys. Guys, are you looking at what I'm looking at, guys? Are you seeing what I'm seeing? Look at those great teaser trailer for these video games. Elemental Raiders, especially a card battler. I know a lot of people on platforms like Twitch, Kick, you know, these streaming platforms, even YouTube. They will love games like this, right? Card battling games. I remember. I'm not sure. I can't really remember the name of the video game. But it was a super popular card battler game that people play to this day, right? Elemental Raiders could get some of those gamers on board once the game and everything is fleshed out properly, and then all of a sudden we have a huge influx of people getting into crypto, into Web3, into Gamefi, just because of Elemental Raiders and Games for a Living making more and more video games. Solving the reach issue, we created original IP gaming experience across multiple platforms for wider accessibility. Cross-platform, bridging the gap, simple and secure login, easy cash in and out, one ecosystem token. No more tokens in the ecosystem. A lot of projects, gaming projects, that have multiple coins or tokens that they have in the ecosystem, right, which messes up a lot of people's thought process, you know. We've seen so many metaverse and play to earn games that launched with multiple different coins in the ecosystem, and it just, you know, leads the project to shambles. Whereas with Games for a Living, it's just one ecosystem token. They also have tax management as well, with great partners, guys. And like I said, the team, you cannot sleep on the team. Just do your research. This is a huge team, guys, a huge team. And you know, like I said, don't sleep on this man, Trip Hawkins. When I did my research on him, it was, you know, it actually blew me away, right? Trying to pull up the Twitter. Let me head over to Twitter real quick, guys. If you guys want to follow me on Twitter, go right ahead. You know, everything myself and Games for a Living will be in the comment section. Let me I'm doing everything on the fly, guys. So if you know, I pause for a bit, it's because, you know, I'm taking my time to pull everything up. Leaders in the gaming industry collaborating with the Web3 community to achieve mass adoption. GFAL is the token ticker, and as you guys can see, man, Elemental Raiders, they had a live AMA recently. We have recent updates happening all the time, AMAs, communication. And you can see from the engagement on Twitter, it's absolutely great engagement. I'm super bullish on this project in particular, guys. I'm super bullish on it. I'm telling you, you just don't know how far this could go in the future. $10 billion in market cap. We see what the gaming industry does as far as numbers. Billions and billions of dollars in the gaming industry. A $10 billion market cap for a GFAL. I wouldn't rule it out. I really wouldn't rule it out for the bull run. $1 per GFAL. I wouldn't rule it out, guys. I'm telling you. So yeah, if you hold GFAL, let me get your thoughts in the comment section. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Also, let me know what other projects you'd like me to check out as well. Everything GFAL and myself will be in the description. Telling you guys, man, super bullish on this project, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.